Hello, and welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. This is Sam from Germany, and in today's episode, we're going to practice real English conversation at the airport. Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but when they travel, they feel nervous. They don't know what to say at the airport, how to ask questions, or how to understand airport staff. Today, we will fix that. In this video, you'll listen to a long, simple conversation between two people. Emma, a traveler flying for vacation. Mark, an airline staff member helping her. This is a realistic story, full of useful expressions, polite phrases, and travel English that you can use in real life. The story will include checking in at the counter, going through security, asking for directions, boarding the plane, and dealing with a small problem. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to Skyward Airlines. Where are you flying to today?
Hi, I'm flying to New York.
Great. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Miss Emma White. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, I have one big suitcase and one small carry-on.
Please place the large suitcase on the scale. Okay, it's 18 kilograms, under the 23-kilo limit. That's perfect.
Good. I was worried it might be too heavy.
No problem. Here's your boarding pass. You'll be boarding at gate A12. Your seat is 22B, an aisle seat.
Thanks. What time does the flight board?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. and the flight departs at 11:15.
Okay. How do I get to gate A12?
Go straight ahead, turn right after security, and take the escalator up. You'll see signs showing the gates. Just follow the signs to A12.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Emma. Have a great flight. Part 2. At the security checkpoint. Security officer. Good morning. Please place your bag, phone, and any metal items in the tray.
Sure. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes, belt, and jacket, please. And please remove your laptop from the bag.
Okay, one moment there. Is everything fine?
Perfect. Now, please walk through the metal detector.
Okay. Walks through.
All clear. Thank you. You may collect your items.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Safe travels. Part 3. Finding the gate and asking for help.
Excuse me. I'm trying to find gate A12. Could you help me?
Of course. You're almost there. Just continue walking straight. Then you'll see a sign on the left for gate A12.
Thank you so much. Is there a coffee shop nearby?
Yes. There's a cafe right next to the gate. You'll see it before boarding.
Perfect. I'll grab a coffee before the flight.
Part 4. At the boarding gate. Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. You're in Group 3. We're currently boarding Group 1. We'll call your group shortly.
Okay, I'll wait. Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything is on schedule. Boarding will finish in about 20 minutes.
Great. Thanks for the update.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. Part 5. A small problem.
Excuse me. I just realized I left my phone charger at security. Is there a way to get it?
Let me check. Yes, lost items are brought to the security desk. Go back toward security and ask the staff. You still have time before final boarding.
Thank you. I'll go now. I found it. Thank you for helping me.
Glad to hear that. We're now boarding Group 3. You can go ahead.
Perfect timing. Thanks again. Congratulations, my friend. You did it. You just finished listening to a full, realistic conversation in English at the airport. From check-in to security to boarding, you learned how real people speak, ask questions, and solve problems in English. This is not just grammar. This is real English. English that helps you live, travel, and communicate with confidence. And the best part? You understood it. You followed the story. You learned useful expressions in a slow and clear way. That means you're not just a student of English. You are becoming a speaker of English. Let me remind you of something important. You don't need to speak perfectly. You don't need to memorize every word. You don't need to be a native speaker. What you need is practice, consistency, and courage. Every time you listen, every time you repeat, every time you speak, even for 1 minute, you are training your brain to speak better English. This airport story wasn't just a lesson. It was a practice for real life. So, here's what I want you to do next. Listen to the story again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences out loud. Pause the video and speak like the characters. Record your voice and compare. Imagine yourself at the airport and speak with confidence. Because one day, maybe very soon, you'll be in a real airport, in a real situation, speaking real English. And when that moment comes, you'll feel ready. You'll remember this story. You'll remember the practice. And you'll speak clearly, confidently, and calmly, just like Emma did. This is how we grow. This is how we improve. One step at a time, one word at a time, one story at a time. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Sam from Germany, and you've been listening to the Daily English Podcast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite part, subscribe for more daily English practice. Keep listening, keep repeating, and always remember, fluency is not a gift. It's a result of daily effort. See you in the next story. And until then, safe travels and happy learning.